AI can help with the task, but it still needs humans to think, and automation are very real. Tools can already write basic code, automate testing. IT is still one of the greatest options. Hello everyone and welcome to the official channel of Oswal Books. Everywhere you look, people are saying that AI will take all the IT jobs. Coding is finished and that there is no future in tech. So let's answer this honestly and simply. Is IT still worth it in 2026 for students? The short answer is yes, but not in the way people think. AI and automation are very real. Tools can already write basic code, automate testing, and handle repetitive technical tasks. But that doesn't mean that IT jobs are disappearing. What's actually happening is that low effort, copy-paste work is disappearing. The kind of work where someone just follows tutorials without understanding logic or problem solving is no longer enough. IT has never been just about typing code. It's about understanding problems, building systems, fixing things when they break, and make technology work for real people and real businesses. AI can help with the task, but it still needs humans to think, decide, and connect everything together. In 2026, students who only want quick money or think IT is an easy shortcut should honestly not choose this field. IT demands continuous learning, tools change, languages change, and expectations change. So if you are someone who hates learning new things or gets frustrated easily, IT will feel exhausting to you. But if you are curious, if you like understanding how things work, and if you're willing to keep improving your skills, IT is still one of the greatest options. Fields like web development, data analytics, cybersecurity, cloud system, and UI UX designs are not going away. In fact, AI is increasing the demand for people who can manage, secure, and apply technology smartly. Another important truth students need to know is that a degree alone is not enough anymore. But skills alone are also not enough in the long run. So what works best in 2026 is a combination of basic education, strong fundamentals, and practical proof of skills. Companies care less about the fact that how many certificates do you have and more about what you can actually do. Growth in IT is not instant. The first year is usually about learning and struggling. The next couple of years are about specialization and experience. Long-term growth comes only if you stay consistent and adaptable. Anyone promising instant success in IT to you is lying. So is IT still worth it in 2026? Yes. For students who are ready to learn seriously, think long-term, and adapt with technology, IT is not dying. Only lazy learning is. So if you choose IT, choose it with clarity. No fear or no hype. Now, I really hope you are clear in your mind and you also make better choice. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to Oswal Books for such more student-focused content.